Low PCV is usually a symptom and not the main problem. So on this episode, I'll talk basically on PCV, which is the packed cell volume. So now, you have a patient, or you as a patient, after running a test, the medical laboratory scientist look at your results and he or she tells you that your PCV is low. Then you as the patient, the first thing, you became panic, you became nervous, you are confused. Wait. Then the next person beside you quickly tells you that you can boost your PCV with a common herbal mixture they have at home that you should follow them. They are going to give you, and within 2 days, boost your PCV from 18% to 35%. Some of the lies people tell. Or someone else tell you that after drinking stout, you need to drink like 2 or 3 bottles of stout and your PCV will increase automatically. That is another lie. Or someone tells you that after consuming a very big bowl of liver or tins of liver, that your PCV will be boosted automatically. That is another lie. Now, if you are somebody who has low PCV, that is low packed cell volume, or short of blood, these are steps I'm going to be telling you on how to boost your PCV naturally following these steps I'm going to be sharing on this video. So if you're watching this video, just stay, chill, sip something and listen carefully, because this video is going to help you and you're going to help somebody after hearing this information. So the quick question I want to ask you, can we boost our PCV naturally? And how quick, how often is this going to happen? That is what I'm going to be sharing on this video. Now, follow me. If you are just seeing my video, I'm medical laboratory scientist Ebody Nelson. Do well to share this video, like this video, because once you like, you share, you comment, this video is going to go wide for people to see this information. Now, follow me. Now, the first question somebody wants to ask is, what is PCV? PCV, simply put, packed cell volume. It is the percentage of blood that is made up of the red blood cells. That is PCV. And what does it do? Red blood cells helps to carry oxygen around your body. We see that is the reason why when there is a shortage of red blood cells, which is the PCV, the packed cell volume, there are some things you start to experience: tired, weakness, dizziness, shortness of breath, and even frequent headache. Yes, these are the signs you will feel when you have a shortage of your PCV. Now, this is the truth that many people don't want to hear. There are no foods, herbs, or drinks that you will take or consume that will boost your PCV overnight. No, it is not done. It takes gradual process. So if somebody tells you that when you take this particular food today, by tomorrow your PCV can move from 18% to 35%, that is a lie. So after consuming this food I'm going to recommend for you, your body needs time for it to reproduce new red blood cells. Yes, provided you are consuming the right things. Somebody may ask now, how can I naturally increase my PCV? The first thing you need to do is for you to eat iron-rich food, because iron is the major raw material your body uses to make blood. So when you consume iron-rich food, it will help you regenerate and produce new red blood cells. An example of this kind of iron-rich foods includes liver, beef, soya beans, fish, ugu leaf, known as the pumpkin, spinach, can help you to boost your iron in your body when you consume them. So number 2, as you are eating iron-rich foods, add vitamin C. This is where many people make the mistake. You can eat all the iron-rich food in the world, but if your body does not absorb the iron, that is a waste of effort. That is why vitamin C helps your body to absorb the iron when you eat them. So eat iron-rich food, then add vitamin C to it. Adding vitamin C does not mean that you should buy vitamin C drugs. Eat food that contains vitamin C. For example, you can take food like orange, guava, pineapple, and even tangerine. These are rich in vitamin C. So don't go and buy vitamin C drugs. Eat these fruits that contains vitamin C, and it's going to help you absorb the iron-rich food that you eat, and it will help boost your blood level. So number 3, don't forget to eat food that contains folate and vitamin B12. Do you know why? It's because it helps you to produce healthy red blood cells Yes, that's what folate and vitamin B12 does. An example of this kind of food are eggs, your milk, your meat, your fish, and also green vegetables. Yes, these are rich in folate and vitamin B12. Yes, you need it while you are eating your iron-rich food. Iron-rich food, you eat food that contains vitamin C. You also eat food that contains folate and vitamin B12, as I have mentioned. After eating all of this, the next thing you need to do is that you need to stay hydrated. Yes, drink adequate water. Water is needed for your body to always be hydrated. Yes, you need it because your body functions better when it is properly hydrated. Now, let me tell you something that people usually overlook. Before you try to increase your blood, the first thing you need to do is try to know why your blood was short at the first place. Try to know why your PCV was low at the first place. Because low PCV is usually a symptom and not the main problem. Malaria can destroy red blood cells. Heavy menstrual bleeding can also lead to loss of red blood cells. Stomach ulcer can lead to hidden bleeding. Even worm infestation can also lead to shortage of blood. So, if you only focus on increasing the blood without treating the cause, the PCV may keep dropping even after taking all this food I have recommended. If your PCV is low, don't panic. Don't rush to a random herbal mixture. Focus on proper diagnosis. Eat iron-rich food. Combine with vitamin C. Then try to know the underlying cause. And please remember, building blood is a process and it is not magic. It does not happen overnight. It's a gradual process. I am a medical laboratory scientist and my goal is to help you and other Nigerians understand health from the medical laboratory scientist's point of view. Do well to like this video, share and subscribe, and also share to somebody who might have low back cell volume before, or share it to your family member so when anybody has it, they will know what to do next. But remember, if your PCV is very low, you might need a transfusion. Thank you for watching. You are welcome.